Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see how to calculate the MTD. So for that, I request you to please watch the previous videos of QTD and YTD. Now let us see how to calculate MTD. Very simple. Instead of total YTD, total QTD, we are using a formula of DAX, that is total MTD. So let me write MTD, and this is total. You need to use total MTD and the expression dates and filters and so on. So expression, let me write a sum of the sales amount, or you can calculate the sum of the sales amount in one of the measure and you can use that measure always. Let me close this, put a comma, and second is a dates. You can take a date from a date column. If you have a dates, continuous dates from a dim date, you can take a dim date also, and dot dates. Let me close this, and your MTD is here. You can see MTD is here, but when you put that in a table, you can see you may not see the change here, much change here. You cannot see any change because we have removed the day filter or day hierarchy from this date column. So you may not find out the results here, but to do that, you can add the day here in the hierarchy. You can add the day in the hierarchy, and now you can see the difference. So in MTD, you can see we do not have any sales in that particular month. So we have sales only for the first of the month, so we are not adding anything. But if you have a sales on 2nd September, 3rd September, and so on, it will add all the values and you will get the MTD according to that. This is how QTD, MTD, and YTD are calculated by using a total QTD, YTD, and MTD. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Keep learning.